Kardom don marle aprang sike non hejong APSC asatlang labang suket top pen ki undun abang phubang pido an aphan nilihin pen ningkarong ningkang sama kardom lapen kulwang thupa jirik lo labang so asatlang ki undun pen kaprek kaprek officer ang hoje parong dun pen khe farman nongme ikwan piasom thot kibang gilang ani pustangi nalitum klem medam me hejimis da menang pajir ponglo ili sokar bia khe pen labang so satlang ki undun abang phubang thiamen lapu hanlo songjang tigatha Assam Police Service Junior Grade Clarlin Tokbipi Inspector of Taxes Richard Ingti Sub Registrar Sarmir Longrongkhar Assistant Audit Officer Assam Audit Service Serkungri Terangpi Assistant Account Officer Bonita Ronghang Assistant Account Officer John Teron Assistant Account Officer Rajat Teron Assistant Account Officer Longklemlin Timung Assistant Account Officer Stephen Teron Assistant Account Officer Aaron Teron Assistant Account Officer Bhamklarchan Singna Assistant Account Officer Abhijit Be Assam Urban Audit Service Executive Officer Grade 2 Omrit Hanse Assam Urban Audit Service Lapen Rakhi Timung Assam Urban Audit Service alang nitum hendo labang so satlang long ki undun pen ilikar bikhe farman nong mi kiwan piatun lo si puthot nan tum kato kabe aphan anso se kangtu yakrong kiledum thik je aphan rana mahe jume hangsi puthot kurwang thupajir lo domi thakmi kardom